Hey guys, welcome back. So let's see the fourth company, which on the series of 8 lakhs to 1 crore in 5 years. So in this company, I've made around 1.5 lakhs in 1 year with an investment of 1 lakh or 1.2 lakhs. So it was more than 100% return already on this company. So let's go inside and analyze this stock. So the name of the stock, as you guys would be curious, is General Insurance Corporation of India. So for me, I work in insurance. So I was analyzing this stock and I was like, this is a diamond. Why are people not investing in this stock? Because it is like the oldest company, you could say. And it's like most of very few companies which give reinsurance to companies. Like for insurance companies, there's a thing called as reinsurance, in which an insurance company is there. And it's like it's a very old company. So if you see, Government of India took over 55 Indian insurance companies and undertaking of 52 insurance to carrying on the insurance business. So it's nothing small. And look at its P 10 right now. Industry P 48. When I took it, its P was around 6. And it's so this for this stock when I took it, it was around I think 200. And from 200, it had a book value at that time also around 350. So something under book value. It's obviously going to go to its book value. So now it's at 407, but still quite low from it. Industry B, promoter holding 85%. Amazing. Not much of a sales growth, I would say, but its ROC and ROE were very good, and its market cap is 70,000 crores, which is almost like a very huge company to begin with. So it does compete with other insurance companies, but this is a reinsurance company, so it doesn't have that kind of like comparison. So we can't really compare it with life insurances like HDFC and ICICI. And it like this is where I think I took it because from minus 84 crore to 3,000 crore profit, then maintaining it to 2,000, 3,000. It has been a up down up down up down journey, but they have constant sales, but the expenses are up down. So it's not bad. And if you see profit before tax 3,000, which is still growing. One quarter is a bit bad, so let's see technicals where it goes, because I'm still currently invested into the stock. I have not gone out fully. I've taken a bit of profits. I've attached a profit screenshot, but not gone out fully of the stock. But if you look at its yearly thing, from 13,000 to 47,000, that's crazy. Highest ever profit from negative to 7,000. So the company is growing at a very good rate. And I feel insurance would grow in India a lot, because as more and more people become aware of insurance, people are going to take insurance because it is something which is required. So as more people, other YouTubers also like Ankur Variko and everyone, they are educating people for insurances. Pranjal Kamra, insurances. So they have huge following. So they are educating people just that how important your life insurance, health insurance, and everything, auto insurance, everything is. So these companies are going to benefit it in longer term, because it's a small premium which you pay and you get a lot of cover for safety net for your people. And look at its profit. Oh, crazy. 2,000 to 8,000, almost four times in like 10 years. So that's the reason I've been in this company. And look at their reserves. They have no borrowing. And look at the reserves, 54,000 crore as reserve. Damn, that's too high. And to what? To not to be invested into this company. And promoter 85% altogether stick. FI is growing. DII is almost constant. This is the thing which I love about this company, because public is 2%. So for me, wherever public growth is low, I like to invest in those companies because they are the hidden gems which a lot of people don't know. So they grow very fast. So if you want a Q, invest in companies which have good financial turnarounds and low public growth. Now let's go to its fundamentals. Sorry, we did fundamentals. Let's go to its technicals. This again. So if you look at its weekly chart, so I think I caught it somewhere when it was making this pattern. If you can see a trend line, I would say I caught it somewhere around here when it came back to retest its trend line around 150, 160, or maybe I don't remember the exact time because it's like a bit high, but it did form, if you see, a W pattern. It accumulated to the resistance, then it went down from that same point. This is the trend line, and I think I got in around here, around 200, and it came back. So this was a resistance. It tested once, twice. This time I expected it to break. I entered here with a stop loss of this low because this was swing trade, so I like to take a bit. I could have ideally had a stop loss of here, but it's a bit tight. But I wanted to invest for at least 2 years in this company because it seemed formidable to me. And since then, it has just gone up. And it's like it has tested its all-time high, came down, which is quite common for companies to test their all-time high, come down, accumulate. It might accumulate for more months here, but I do expect it to like give this return. So it's like 450, 200, 350 more, 550, 650, 70, 800. 800 is my target for this one at least. Rest I will see how its financials are at that time, and if they are more good, I would still hold this company. But it has gone into a like it's up stage, accumulation stage, and I expect it to go up because its financials are very good from this accumulation. But I don't know how long will this accumulation be. But I am okay to hold this for at least another 2 years, even if it doesn't give me returns, because it has already given me more than 100% and 50%. So let's see. And its volumes are right now also like very high. Let's just analyze its like monthly chart once. Let me clear its drawing. Yeah, I don't think there is any problem in its monthly chart also, because if you look at the volumes, oh, crazy. Up volumes are still crazy and down volumes are too low. So it's just accumulating and it's around what its all-time high. Let's see. I don't know how much it will accumulate, but eventually it should break up, because this was the last low, which it has gone up, tested. It should go up. It came back to test this low. From here, it should break down, break up, then probably come to test this again, and then give a good breakout, which will be unstoppable for this stock. That's what I feel. So GICRE, I'm still invested in this stock, but this is not investment advice, because do your own research, and I'm not a advisor. I'm here to provide some knowledge and how I invest and like capture my journey from 8 lakhs to 1 crore in 5 years, and tell people that yes, it is possible to make money. So see you in the next video.